Hello, hello, Mary. Is that Anna or Mary? All of you. How are you? How are you guys? How many are you? Three of you. Azaria, Aki, Anna. You don't know this sound? Eh? Yes. Welcome, welcome to this session. We have also another one. Hello, Israel. Can you hear me? Okay. Mhm. Can you hear me, guys? Okay. What about others? Goitom, can you hear me? Uh, Israel, can you hear me? Unmute the mic. Unmute the mic. Do you know how to unmute the mic? Okay. Mhm. How can I? Mm. Yes. Today is just the introduction. I think it will be short. Do you have somewhere to go? Okay. Okay. So welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to learn coding class. Is It will be for like 12 weeks. We will learn how to build real websites from zero. We will start from zero. In case if you have any, like, if you feel it is not clear, you can stop me and ask anytime. Even simple things. If you didn't understand, don't pass, so that you will build your own website later after we finish this course. Um, okay, Hmm. So we are going to use a website called W3 Schools. Can you see my screen? Give me thumbs up if you can see. This one is called W3 Schools. So I will put the link on the chat box. So you will open the website. Usually we will use this website until we build our own website. So can you see the chat box? You can you can just double click, then it will open for you. Okay, I hope you are good to open. So here we have HTML tutorials. We will start from this HTML, then we will proceed to CSS or Java, not this JavaScript. Using these three languages. Actually, this one is computer language. HTML is one computer language. CSS is another language. JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP, C++, C Sharp. These all are languages, like what we are talking. We are talking right now in English, right? This that is an English language. Language is for human. They use they can communicate using common languages. If someone knows English and the other one also understands, they can communicate easily. So computers communicate. They have their own languages. So we will start with HTML. Before we start this HTML, I understand everyone knows what is internet. Uh, Sorry. Okay. Sorry, I'm back. Can anyone tell me what is internet? Okay. Who is this? Azare? Okay. What about Aki? Okay. 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 That's good. How about Israel? Are you? Can you hear us? Can you unmute Israel? Mhm. I think he. Let me help him out to unmute. Hold on. Hello. اسمعك الذي انميت مقبار تغلالها. لا كمز مايكروفون تمثل ده تريك لا سبيكر نسا تعطي عني هو تزارب ترخا حتى كتلخو ويقال انجزنيا تغير هو اي تحفر تلمد لك كاوف زي ذا شمو ذا تعطي ازنيا كليك تقبرامو كتكفات يا لايك كمزي حزي سابزي تعشمس ميت غيرينو ميت غورو زي ايموتري على خدا ذا مايك اون تبلنيا بقى خما عني مالتي غير كان تنقبر استموكر حزي حياتك أه... نسكافيت كاما كمية تسمع خفتمو اوكي جوز جوز okay now I can hear you Israel. Okay, do you know what is internet? Can you give us any answer? Can you say something about internet? What is internet? Mhm. Okay, it's good. Okay, now you can unmute because there is sound. You can unmute. Okay, good. Okay, now let's back to the pause. As you guys said, the internet is a global network of computers that communicate with each other. Internet is a means how computers communicate each other. For example, some of you may use uh, mobile. Some of us, we are using computer, right? But we are still communicating. How are we communicating? The computers first have to connect through internet. That is what we call it internet. What about website? What is website? Let's continue with Anna, then to Azaria. Okay. Aki, yes. Mhm. Okay. Can you give me example? Okay. What about Azaria? Oh, okay. Where is Aki? Aki is not following. Okay. Okay. We have so website is like uh, it's like a server, the a simplified form of a server where we can fetch files or where we can store files on another computer called there is a server. We use a website to get file from the server. For example, uh, we have YouTube. We go to browser, then we write YouTube, then we get videos, right? We don't have the videos on our laptop. We are getting it through browser. The browser has it has its own protocol. Like you cannot get YouTube from Wikipedia or something else. You have to write www.youtube.com. Otherwise, if you write www.facebook.com, you will get another different page. So these are examples of website like TikTok, uh, and others. We have different examples. So when you open browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, we are asking to give us something. When we Google, we are asking for Google through browser to give us a file where it is saved somewhere in the server. So we are going to learn how to build these websites. It can be for social media, it can be for video storage, it can be like Facebook or YouTube or something with Wikipedia, it can be like TikTok. We can build it. Maybe it can be something app. So usually uh, websites are built through using these three elements: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is like it's the skeleton. It gives us the structure, how it looks like. But CSS gives the style, the coloring, the layouts, the beauty. But JavaScript adds functionality. It adds movement, interactivity, something like that. So, for example, if we say the a house, when we build a house, let's consider the website is like house. When we build a house, we use cement or stone, something to build the structure, right? Then we paint, we add some cements to look something good, to look smooth. That is CSS. The first structure, the stone or the concrete is HTML. But the painting, something else, we add beauty is called, it is like CSS in website. The other one is JavaScript. The JavaScript adds interactivity. Okay, we can start from HTML. What is HTML? HTML is standard, a short name of for hypertext. H means hypertext markup language. So it is a short name of for this hypertext markup language. We will see later, one by one. Now, I want you to show you some simple code just for starting point. Did you open this website? We are at home. Did you open the website, the W3 schools? Okay. So if you have, okay, I think Adonai is joining. Welcome, Adonai. Can you hear me? Come. So can you see my screen? So I'm giving you, if you can check the comment section, I'm giving you a link to open. I'm pasting it again. It's the same. Okay. Mhm. Now, did you manage to open Anna? Okay. 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 Now, if you go here to the home, this is the home. Let's go to the home. Click this home. Then you will see HTML tutorial. This one. Okay. Did you did you get this one, all of you? Okay. What about Anna? Okay. Okay. I think Israel you can't use through phone. Maybe by next week you will join. You will use computer. It's okay. Just follow us. So now you will try it yourself. Can you see this one? You will click this one. Then it will take you to another page. When you click this one, it will take you to another page. It will show you two pages. One on the run, and the other one it will show you in bold. This is a heading. Did you manage that? Now I want you all of you guys to replace this one, this one, to replace this instead of this is a heading, right? This is uh, this is then your name. This is Adonai. This is Anna. Something like that. Put your name here on the new page on the run side. As we trying, let me explain a little bit about what we are doing here for Adonai because he joined us late. Adonai, can you hear me? I think yeah. Okay. So we are here to learn about coding. This is our coding class. We just start today. It will run for 12 weeks every Saturday. Maybe we can agree the time. If it is okay, we can continue at 7. But if you want guys to be from 6 or from 6:30, still okay. But if we push towards 7:30, for those who stay in Ethiopia, it might affect them. So we can change. You can send me message anytime if you need another time. So by the end of this course, all of you guys, you will own your own portfolio. So you will learn how to build website. So websites are basically built through three elements. The elements are these three: HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So using three of them, we are going to learn one by one, three of them. Then we will combine them into one so that to build a nice website or something web page. Okay, I hope you managed to change your name, right? Can anyone share? Did you manage to change your name? Share your screen. Can you share? Let me see. On the run side, on the other side, you cannot edit it. On the run side, this is Anna something in the heading only. Then this is a paragraph. It should be there. Okay, share your screen. Do you know how to share your screen? Okay, let me stop mine. Share. No, share. There is on the down buttons. Okay, okay. Now run. Can you see the screen? I don't know. Israel, can you see their screen? I think you guys are mute if you are talking. Okay, now. Okay, good. Now follow. Then Anna, you will click run. You see? Yes. Now it has changed. Did you see the change? Yes, that's how we edit. This is a code. This is an HTML code which starts with HTML and it ends HTML. Okay, can you share Adonai? Stop sharing. Anna, stop sharing. Yeah, you stopped sharing. Adonai, do you know how to share? Okay, share with me. Okay. Okay. Now, yes, you've already you run your. Okay, so this is how you write. Now, I will show you. I will show you how to write from the scratch. This is we have just copied it. We copied it. We copied the code, but now I want you guys to write your by your own. Like this one, I will teach you one by one. This one, if you see, forget about this one, it's okay. Even if I okay, let me share my other one. Okay, we are here. Okay, this one, it is telling the browser this is an HTML code. Understand, this is an HTML code. It is telling for the browser. Now, if you okay, let me cancel and I will show you. Let me cancel it this one and I run this one. There is no change, right? So this one was telling, it was just to inform the browser, these codes below are HTML codes. We have different codes: Java, HTML, CSS, CC, C plus, C, Python. We have different. We will go through one by one later after these 12 weeks. Okay. If you see this one, it says HTML. This it is here, but with closing. This one is closing tag. The same thing. If you see this one, body is opening tag, closing tag. We call them in HTML in this code. So we have okay. As much as let me see, let me show you these ones. Okay. When we write, let's write from scratch. HTML, then enter HTML. ml like this. Then we usually put the codes, whatever we want. Yes. Huh? This one? Yes. We are going. No, wait, I will show you. I'm just showing you simple. You can erase it. It's okay. You can erase. We are going to build it. We are going to write it again. Wait until I finish. Then he said, yes. Now, mm, this is our first class. See, whatever we wrote in between the HTML, in between this line, it will bring it here. Okay, what if I did here, outside, still bring it, but it will in normal, it will not follow the, in normal simulator, it will not give us the same. It will give us error if we write something out of these tags. So the first, okay, I want to show you something. This one is called, okay, where is it? So this one is called the container. This is like container. It contains the code inside. Now I want to put it head as heading. If I write here, these are called, if I write something like this, head, then I put down here closing tag head. If I start something like this, I should have closing the same tag, but with closing. This is a closing tag in HTML. This is in HTML. Now let's see the change. Okay, we didn't put title. We didn't. Okay, let's put it this one. Okay, now this one. This should be title. Title. See, it is. I think yes. It should be changed. Let's close it here. If you see in your code red something like this, that means we have error. Where is the error? We don't have tag here, closing tag here. Once we put, it will change automatically the color. Now, why does this thing when I run disappear? Whatever it was here. It is the title. The title means something on the title, not on the content or on the body. Now, if I put body, this is a body. Body. When we write email, we have subject, subject and body, right? So this is the same like the same as email or something. We when we write body, when we say body is the main content. So in body we may have heading. Usually we use h1 up to any 1 2 3. Main head is h1. We can say h1. This is our first class. Then I have to close it. I have to use the same. Okay. Still, it is showing me red here. Can anyone tell me why? Yes. Good. See here, I have to put body because I put body over there. Now it's okay. If we run, it will display heading. See, like this. Now, this one was a problem, right? It's giving me red. Now, if I remove this one, will will it still give me red? Do you think, Anna? Do you think if it's showing me here because I didn't put it's showing me here red in coding is like warning. You have problem. You have error somewhere. So this is showing me because I didn't put the body here as a closing tag. So do you think if I remove this one, will still be here? Okay. See, see now I have removed anything. If you open anything, HTML is very simple thing. If you start any tag, you have to close it. That's the rule. If you start H1 here, you have to have the same name over here, but with closing tag. This is a closing tag, the slash. If you don't have, it's okay. You see now, still it is heading. I run, still it is heading. Still, if I remove this one, it will show me red here because I don't have the starting tag. But if I remove this one, still I'm okay, and it will run this one also. This one will also be displayed, but it doesn't show whether it is paragraph or heading or subtitle or title. It will just like this. Let me run. See now, did you see the difference between when we use heading or okay? Let me use the same thing now. You can leave this one like class like this. Now I want to use this code, and to write below here the body, include body h1, h2, and p. P. P is for paragraph. You just write like this. You will just write P like this. Then something blah blah here, whatever you want. Then you close it, closing tag here. This is for paragraph. So I want you to write H1, H2, and paragraph. 3 lines. Use this code, whatever it is here. Then you add H1, H2, then P. Did you understand? Yes? Okay, show me. Share. You can share. Let me stop sharing. Okay. Now you have this Adonai. This is Adonai. Okay. Now you remain H2. He didn't add H2. No, no, let it stay that one. Let it stay H1. Then at the end of H1, at the end, before P1, before P, click enter, then add another line. Then replace with H. Before P, in between P and H1. Yes, click enter. Yes. Then start with the opening tag H2. Okay. Okay, now in between the you should put you should press enter between the H1 in end of H1 and the start of H2. Yes. Now you can run. Wow. Congratulations. This is how you write, how you start writing website. This is your first website. Now we are using another website for to run and to see the result. Next time I will show you from Notepad or another tool, so that you don't need this. You will not be dependent on the website. You can write like Microsoft Word, You can write the code, then you run, you will see your own website. Not like this. You just now we are depending on the tool which is on the website W3 schools. Okay, what about others? Aki, are you here? Okay, can you share me? Now, Adona, you can stop sharing. You did good job. It's good start. I like it. Okay, okay, okay. Let me help you. You've class title. You have two title, I think. Okay. Now you can start after heading. You can start body. You can remove that one. Okay, you're doing well. Now it's okay, but you did a mistake on the closing tags. We use the opposite way. The slash should be to slant to the what is called to right. Other one. Yes, but it should be in front. It should be in front of yes. Inside. Inside. Put it yes. Change it. Still you have P, body, HTML, title, head. All of them change. Okay. Now you are good to run. Yes. Yes. This is Anna. Congratulations. So, if you see the difference between these three lines, you will understand why we are using H1, H2, and P. P is paragraph for just normal text, any normal font size. So the difference between H1 and H2 is H is heading, the head. H1 is sub, is if you have H and H1, they are headings, title and subtitle. Like, how do I say in let me share my screen. Yes. So we have this one and this one. All are heading, but this one has high, big font size. This one has a little bit low, small. So this one use if this one use H1, this one should be used H2. Then if we have another, for example, this one, the third one should use H3. When the number increases, the size decreases. This one is H1, H2, H3. The font size increases. The font size decreases as the number of H increases. So that's our uh, first program to write the code. So next time we will see how to add image, how to add links, but we cannot use it here on this because we are using this whatever called tool. This is a tool to simulate these codes, to run these codes. So next time we will have our own notepad. Like, okay, let me share my screen. If I go here, notepad, you will download. Okay, let me give you a link to download the notepad, or check by clicking the whatever call what is by clicking the window like this. Not, can you see my screen? This one, notepad. Do you have, okay, on your on your computer? If you click the window, there is window icon right on our keyboard, the window symbol. Or if then right here, notepad. Can you see this one? Okay, do you have start like this one? Start. Yes, you just click not notepad, notepad like this. Did you find on under these programs any? There is no. Okay. let me send you a link. Let me send you link to download. Not we are going next time we are going to write the codes using this tool. So let me send it with yeah. Can you see it on the chat? Yes, Adonai, if you are because you are using the a phone, you can copy it and save it on your WhatsApp. Then you send it to laptop. You have a laptop, right, Adonai? Huh? Okay. What happened? It's not. Okay. We will. I will call you tomorrow. I will see if I can fix it from here. Just save this one, or I will send it on the group. Okay. We will use that one for next time. Let's close for today because it's our new session. So for next time we will continue like this, but we will expand it to use photo, to add photo, to add links. Then we will see how we will develop it. Do you have any question? Okay, continue. Huh? Which age? This class, yes, it is okay. Like adults can learn if they don't have now how to start this thing. This is a basic fundamental actually. So someone at 6 at 7 can start if he knows how to browse, how to open laptops. That's a basic requirement for to follow this course. So eh? Yeah, if for you, for example, for even for adults up to 20, even 30, they should start from here. Then they develop to these codes. These are this Python. Once you have now how to use these ones, it will be easy to use Pythons, Java, PHP. Whatever, for example, uh, let's search here. Which language do they use? You will see it here. It's among the ones. Java. It's here. Oh, where is it? See? It's here. This is a Java, and it is the same thing what we are starting with HTML. It's the same thing. If you go here, try, then you write here hello world. The same thing. This is as if I change it like this and run, you see, it's the same thing. So if you know that one, it will be easy to proceed to the next levels. But these are high level. Someone at 20s can start directly from here, that he should have basic computer skills and basic codings. That's why I'm starting from the simplest. You understand? Okay. If you don't have any doubt, see you next time. Happy Sunday. Oh, you are on Saturday, but we are going to Sunday. Here in Kenya, it's night, evening. Okay. See you guys. Okay, thank you. See you next week. Bye.